So some of our customers have asked us how to put on our hinge hoops in a correct way. And with hinge hoops, we don't mean the regular hinge hoops with a hinge, which you can open in this direction. So like just open it, put it to your ear and close it again. But we mean these ones with actually no hinge on it. The reason why we don't have a hinge here is because normally if something breaks with such a plug-in hoop, it's the hinge because it's a very vulnerable part at the hoop. So we thought, especially for our real gold hoops, it might be a great idea to not have the hinge there to prolong the lifetime of our hoops. So if we can't open the hoops in this direction, how should we open it? Very easy. We can just open it into the left or the right direction. So you can see if you're not tearing it totally apart, it will always come back into its original position. So you don't have to be afraid of like having a torn hoop then. But please do it nicely and friendly and don't tear it. You can see it's not much of a pressure you need there to open it. And you can easily do this with one hand as well, because if you put it onto your ear, it's a nicer way. So just hold it with your pointing finger and your thumb on the one side and just push it apart with your middle finger on the other side. And then you can easily put it into your ear. It's stuck there already. It is not yet in there, so you just pull it a little bit and then it fits perfectly on your ear. I know it might have been difficult to see it while I did it because my hands are in front of it, so I show it to you once again without my ear. So you pull it into this direction to put it onto your ear, you slide it through your ear, and it will be like this. So it's not yet in the hoop. So what you do is you pull it a little bit, a tiny bit, and it's already fitting in. That's it. No big deal, no much of a magic. It might take a little try or two to like get into your fingers, but in fact it's very, very easy and you don't have to be afraid that you destroy your hoop in any way. So, and if you want to put it off your ear, you pull it apart a bit and you see it's really only tiny little pulls and pushes, nothing very big. Open it again, pull it off your ear, and that's it. That's going to be everything it needs to put these little things on, and you'll be very happy with it. So, and if there are any more questions, don't be afraid to come to me, and feel free to contact me anytime in any case of questions. So have fun with it, try it out, and I hope you'll be very happy with it.